To build ATS friendly resume, just go to buildats.com. Click on sign in tab. If you have account, just give the details and login. If don't have, no problem. It's totally free to create an account. Give the required details and click on create account. You will get an email verification in maybe inbox spam updates folder. Just check it out and verify it. Once verification is done as shown in the video, you will move to the home page. From the home page, you can create a new resume from, or if you landed on dashboard, there also you can find create resume button. Just click on it. You will go to the resume builder page and then fill the following like personal info, education, skills, language. It automatically generates resume for you. Once finish the particular section, you can click on the next or change using top bar menus. If you want to skip anything, you can skip. For example, here I'm going to skip experience because I'm going to doing resume for fresher, and click add and give the education details. For the description, you can use AI for ATS friendly, or you can type yourself. To use AI, you need to buy credits from the top. It's just easy and simple. Once payment is done, you can use credits. You have two options. One is AI generate, another is AI enhancement. Once you start typing, you can see AI enhancement. AI enhancement is best suitable for what you typed based on your existing content, or you can use AI generate. It will give you ATS description based on your filled information. You can see here real example. Once you get the description, you can go through it, or if you want modify, you can modify it. If you want to add the project or skip the project, you can do it, and once you're done, you can save it also. And here we are moving to next tab called skills. Add the skills as shown here as much as you want. Fill all the tabs or section whatever you want or required. You can choose by top bar menu, or you can click on next. Once all done, you can save it and then choose the template from the template section. You can preview it and then you can download it. You can download any number of time by choosing any number of templates out there. And even you can go to the dashboard and you can even edit the existing resume, and then again you can download it. Okay, I think now you understand how to build ATS friendly resume using buildATS.com. Now what you're seeing is mobile view. In mobile, this is how it looks. You can click on next to go the next section, and you can choose the template from the down below. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.